Hi guys, so spring is finally here, I'm out on the Master. I don't know if you can see that. It's really bright where I am, so I'm just out for a ride on the Master, and I'm going to take the drone out as well. Got this great looking field behind me, and I'm trying out this Insta360 contraption. See if I can do more vlogging from it with my iPhone 13 Pro. And downside is second time I've gone out with my Insta360 ONEX 3 camera and the battery's dead, even though I've blatantly charged it up. When I plug it in to the computer, it will power on and transfer, but I'm wondering if the battery's just died on. It's not that old, so hopefully that will be covered under warranty. But that does mean there'll probably be more drone footage than ride footage. Yeah, let's get the DJI Avata out for some first person flying across this really nice green field and see how we get on.